If you are someone like me who travels a lot and rely on Google Maps for most of your journeys, then this video is for you. Save it and share it to your traveling buddies. Now, this feature of the Google Maps allows you to use the Google Maps without using internet. You and I know that whenever you leave your mobile data on for a very long time, your phones get heated and it drains your battery quickly. So in order for you to save yourself from all of this, please, before you take the journey, open your Google Map, press on the profile here and come to offline maps. Now, this allows you to download a specific area of your choice to be accessed later without internet to embark on your journeys. So select your own map. Now, what you see here is the area that you can actually download. So zoom in. Let me bring you to Africa here. Zoom in to cover the area you are traveling to. Provided I'm going to Togo and I'm moving from Accra to Togo, I don't know the road. So I position it inside this rectangular shape here, right? From Accra to Togo, I'll zoom it in, and when I get what I'm looking for, from Accra to Lomé, I can zoom out to have wider coverage here. So once I get the location I'm looking for, I press on download. Now you wait for this to download. You can download as many maps as you want, provided the journey you are embarking requires you moving from one place to another. This will help you. Now, let's see how you'll be able to access your maps after it has finished downloading. Come back to your profile and come to offline maps. Now you see that the map you downloaded is there and it expires on February 8th, 2027 unless updated. So press on it and then it will show you. Press on it again, and then you will be able to do your search within this range that you downloaded. If you find this video helpful, please save it for later. Thank you.